ഹായ്. എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായില്ല, എന്നാലും താങ്ക് യു.
RRRലത്തെ ഡയലോഗ് പറഞ്ഞതാ.
ആണോ? ഓക്കെ. ഐ എം ലിറ്റിൽ നെർവസ് നൗ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ, ഐ എം എക്സ്ട്രീംലി ഹാപ്പി ആൻഡ് excited to be here. Thank you everyone for accepting our movie, and thank you Karthikeya sir for making this happen to the entire team. Thank you, and it's an honor to stand here in front of Rajamouli sir and Kiravani sir. Sorry, I'm too nervous, so yeah, I'm extremely thank you Girish ഏട്ടാ ഇവിടെ വന്ന് നിൽക്കാൻ പറ്റിയതിൽ. താങ്ക് യു. Thank you all. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you. Love you.
Thank you, Naslin and Mamita, and Telugu people have loved you. So we'll ask some Telugu words. You can tell what it means. Okay? Nee avva taggedele. I will show you.
Pushpa.
అంటే డైలాగ్ అర్థం చెప్పకపోయినా డైలాగ్ ఏ సినిమాలోదో చెప్పేశారు. నేను నిన్ను ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను. మమిత యూ కెన్ టెల్
that I love you.
ఎవర్రా అది ఐ లవ్ యూ టూ చెప్పింది? ఓకే, లాస్ట్ అండ్ ఫైనల్, భోజనం చేశారా?
കഴിച്ചോ?
కావాల్సినవన్నీ నేర్చుకొని పెట్టుకున్నారు మీరు.
അതറിയാം, എവിടെ പോയാലും അത് പഠിച്ചു നോക്കണമല്ലോ.
ఓకే, సూపర్. సో ఈరోజు మన కార్యక్రమానికి స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ ఈరోజు